Welcome back. Let's see how we can install Node.js on Windows 11. It is same for other Windows machine. From the browser, type here Node.js. As you can see the first one, nodejs.org. This is the official website. So please click on this one. And here we can see the two options, LTS and the current. LTS is for long term support version and this one is for the current version. I am going with the current version. You can use the specific one which is required. And here also you can see the option is coming download for Windows 64. Here we have a option called other downloads. Here you can see the specific versions for Windows, Mac OS and the Linux, and accordingly we can do the download. Same thing for the current as well. And also if you go to the about page, here you can see that Node.js is an asynchronous event driven JavaScript runtime and it is designed to build scalable and network application. So we will run this program as well once our installation is complete. So now again go back to the home page and from here go to the current version, and as you can see the download has already been started. It will take a couple of seconds to do the download. As you can see the download is completed. So click on this one and open the file, minimize the browser, and from here click the next, and definitely you have to accept the license. Click on the next, and here if you wish you can change the default location. I want to change this location to C drive. Software and Node.js. Click on OK and then next. Here there is one important thing. Automatically install the necessary tool. Note that this will also install Chocolatey. This is very important from the Node.js installation perspective. So please click on this thing. I can explain in my later video what is the importance of this Chocolatey. And click on the install. Click on yes. It will take a while. As you can see now the installation has been successfully completed. From the search panel type the command and start the command prompt and type here node-v. As you can see the 19.4.0 version is installed successfully in my machine. Thank you for watching. If you have not subscribed, please subscribe it.